It's 24 in the morning and I'm up doing my makeup. Safe to say I'm gonna look absolutely gorgeous next to Mario. It's fine. Kim who?
Who owns what suitcase?
Mine went in the front.
So happy.
I can't cook.
I can't cook. This was a Britney mic. I thought you had a mic on for a second.
Ireland, named Des and Mona. Basically what I was reading was that Mona was losing her eyesight, and her husband, they were both right there, you can see Des and Mona. Her husband began taking her to the store in Ireland and to the benefit counter to learn how to do his wife's makeup because she was losing her eyesight. And so when I saw that story, I was so touched, and I called my manager and I said, I don't care what it takes, we need to get them to the masterclass. And so Benefit Ireland was lovely enough to bring Des and Mona and the makeup artist who's been teaching them. What is your name? Sorry? Rosie. And Rosie from Benefit Ireland. They were able to bring all three of them here. So let's give them a round of applause.
I went to their makeup and I didn't have a kit, so I had a Nike shoebox that I used to hide in my closet in my room with like testers and brushes and some eyeshadows and stuff, and that's what I brought to the job, like a shoebox in a little bag. And they paid me $25 for both.
I love them. Look, I'm back with Mr. Mitch.
Back again.
Back again. Can't get rid of me. He's been absolutely hounded today, as you could tell.
Love it, guys.
Loving life.
We love it.
Loving life, though. Guys, what the hell? What the hell? What? What the hell? My face has been on for like 18 hours at this stage. It's honestly like crawling off me. That was unreal. Unreal. It was such a long day just because obviously I've been up since like 3 o'clock and it's now like 6. Such a long day, but I mean, that was incredible. Like, he's just such an inspiration and just amazing. Amazing. His work is incredible. Like, I know he does quite like soft glam looks, but no one does soft glam like Mario. He is honestly the king. The king. Guys, wait till you see what's in these bloody goodie bags. What the hell? Guys, what the actual hell? Like, look at how much. Like, we've got Charlotte Tilbury, we've got Anastasia Beverly Hills, we've got like the Amrezy highlighter. I already have this, so giveaway. We have Elemis, one of my favorite skin brands. Glam Glow, got Powder and Powder. Huda Beauty. Like, are you messing? This is sick. Morning. We literally all got this book. There will be absolutely no fucks given ever again. I'm back home now, guys. I filmed that I went to a Makeup by Mario masterclass, and what did I learn? So this is the look I did. This is a recreation of the look that Mario done. I feel like I look really different, like really different, but I don't know if it's just the straight hair. So yeah, if you want to see how to get this look, I will have a video up on my channel during the week, using loads of little tips and tricks that I learned from his masterclass. Say a huge thank you to Blonde from Cloud10 who arranged all this. Cloud10, as you know, is an Irish beauty brand that I am working very closely with this year. They brought myself over and 2 of my followers. We did a competition together, whereas 2 of my followers could come over and watch the masterclass with us as well. We stayed in a gorgeous hotel for the night. Like, honestly, she spoiled us so much. She's just such an amazing person, such an amazing woman. And yeah, just thank you so much to Blonde. You're the best. Like I said, this video on this tutorial will be up on my channel during the week, so make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell button so you don't miss it. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up down below, and don't forget to tell me what you want me to film next. What do you want to see? What do you want? And yeah, that's all from me. Bye bye.